Hi guys, Antoine McVeigh here with Liberium Crypto, and I've got a special interview with another pro trader for Liberium Crypto out of South Africa. And I want you to help me welcome 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙬 better known as Extreme, pro trader with Liberium Crypto. So Extreme, welcome, and thank you so much for giving us some of your time.
Thank you and appreciate it. And thanks for having me. Looking forward to the opportunities that's coming.
Awesome. So why don't we just kind of get right into it, and maybe we can start with you just telling us a little bit about you, where you're from. I know I told everyone you're from South Africa. Tell us a little bit about where you're from and maybe how long you've been actually trading.
Well, I'm from a small town in the middle of South Africa. I'm not even going to pronounce it because that's a tongue cutter as well. Grew up here and then basically traveled the world for a while. Lived in the States for 6, 7 years. And then came back and got into a family business. And from there, things just evolved. Did crypto part time and eventually left my day job and a family business to go crypto full time and never looked back since.
Wow. So let me ask you this question. The things that you do as relates to trading now, it's how you provide for your family?
Correct. We living full time just off crypto. So
Wow.
crypto is providing everything I buy, eat, every day's living cost. It's based off what I'm getting out of my crypto trading.
That's outstanding. Okay, let me ask another question. I know you have done very well trading with USDT in crypto, which is swing trades. Liberium Crypto is going to offer BTC Pair Trading. Tell me, what do you like about the BTC Pair Trading as opposed to just the swing trades with USDT?
The main fact is doing the Bitcoin pair trading and having Bitcoin as your main coin gives you the opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin. And with
Mm.
what we're seeing currently happening in the crypto market, crypto is only starting. I actually sent out a tweet the other day saying crypto is still taking baby steps as it's growing up. It's been around for a decade already, but everything is just getting to go and move forward now. So crypto accumulation, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and your main coins is very important in my opinion. And that's the benefit of having it. And that's where Liberian crypto is going to be an ideal opportunity for a lot of people.
Yes, I agree with you. To be able to accumulate an asset like Bitcoin, I mean, we're still so early in the cryptocurrency space. The BTC pair trading system with Liberian Crypto will come with an automatic trailing stop loss that will automatically help consumers when the market kind of goes the other way. Unlike the swing trades, where a lot of the traders, because we're acquiring that asset, don't typically use a stop loss, just pretty much wait on the market to recover, because with the swing trades, you don't lose, obviously, unless you sell for less than what you bought it. And so the benefit of the BTC pair trade is the accumulation of that asset, but also if the market goes the other way, it's going to get us out of the market as well, so it doesn't bleed us dry, so to speak.
And that's ideal. I'm not a big fan of a stop loss. I never use them. I'm
I
willing
agree.
I'm willing to
I
wait for the
agree.
market to recover because I see the potential over the long term. So eventually we're gonna hit our take profits and it's gonna come out there. So this trailing stop loss, that's everyone's own decision to make. I won't be using them, but if they feel they want to use them, by all means. And that's another
Sure.
benefit. That putting the consumer in more control. They can decide. If there's enough profit and they want to take it, they can take it. They want to get out of the market, they can get out of it.
That's true. The system really allows the consumers to be in full control of their money at all times, and it doesn't get any better than that. So let me ask you another question, Extreme. as customers are coming on board, and I know you have your own following, you've got your channel, your Telegram channel, your YouTube channel, and those are things where you communicate very, very well with customers that are following you. So what is the benefits of following you as a pro trader? And we've got a few of the statistics from Binance that we're going to be showing here in just a moment. So why don't we do that? I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we'll just kind of get into some of these statistics that you have from Binance that talks a little bit about you that actually came from Binance. It's not something you doctored up yourself, but it just shows a little bit about you and what's going on here. Here's the loyal Binancean here that was sent to you by Binance about you and your loyalty with the company.
So regarding my channel on the Telegram, I'm trying to be as transparent as possible, and
Sure.
it keeps the follower up to date where things are standing and what is happening. So they don't need to go and log in to see what's happening. They can watch the messages, and it gives them an indication of what's coming, what might happen in the markets as well. So that's the benefit of it. They're up to date all the time. Now, regarding my
That's
loyal
awesome.
Binance, like it's here, everyone got an email from Binance at the end of the year where you can log in and you can get your stats of what happened the past year. Now, I've been with Binance 824 days. I went actually back to see more or less when my crypto days started. And back in the day, the first account I had was on Zappo around 2014. The first trading exchange I've used was Bittrex around 2015-16. And then from there, I basically moved to Binance. And Binance is currently my main trading exchange. But I'm also
Mhm.
trading on Kraken and I'm also trading on Qcoin. So this is just one exchange that's giving you an indication of what I'm doing and where I'm standing currently in the markets.
Awesome. Awesome. Let's take a look. Here's another one. Make it rain.
This is the biggest trade I've taken in the beginning of the year. It was I bought 50 Bitcoin Cash at the value of around about $480 each. And within days after that, the value of the coin shot up to around $700. So it was a big
Mm,
trade. Indications was there, and I took decent profits on that one.
yes, you did. That is awesome. Let's take a look here. All right. Piggy Bank.
Now, Piggy Bank, I've added this screenshot because it's another opportunity. All the followers can make more profits by not just following a trader. Like, for example, the Piggy Bank Binance, if you log into your fiat and spot wallet, next to each coin, there's an option that says earn. If you click on that and you go to the flexible option, you can put your coins there and you can earn a daily interest on it. You just need to
Mm,
have an eye on your base currencies, so you make sure you don't run out of your base currencies for the trading side. It's small percentages, but all of it adds up. And that's the main thing.
that's
We're
right.
here to build our crypto and make it more. So if you have enough base currency, use some of it to keep on rolling while the trading is taking place.
Absolutely. And then we've got for the love of crypto, you hit 2 million in cumulative trade volume this year. Wow.
Yes, and that's just on Binance. So
Exactly, with one account.
with one account, so I got a pretty big cumulative trading volume, and that's why I'm able to supply for my family. Taking a lot of work. It's a lid that said that wakes me up to come and do some trades, making sure everything is in place. Due to the fact that I'm not a TA trader, I'm a quantitative trader. So I have calculated entries for all my trades, calculated exit points for all my trades. So where some people wait for a certain point, I already have my points in place, but I need to check it and make sure everything works correctly.
Awesome. Awesome. So let me ask you this question, Extreme. Do you feel that customers can truly create a passive income with just trading? by, say, following you through Liberium Crypto? And if so, what is that ideal a dollar amount? I guess that's a two-part question there. What is it? So one, do you think they can create an absolute passive income just trading? Let's start with that question first.
Yes, when I started with crypto, I started with $1,000. And now, as you can see, just on one account, I've done a $15,000 trade, which was my biggest trade for the year. I've done 2 million accumulative trading volume. So, yes, and I'm supplying for my family just out of crypto. So, yes, I reckon they can do it depending on amount and giving enough trades. What I've seen in the past, people will get in. Let's take, for example, someone will get in with $3,000, but I'll do $200 trades. 15 trades later, they're out of the market and they have to wait. Anyone who starts with Liberium crypto, I'll recommend starting with the minimum trade amount and build up from there. Get a feel for it, make sure you have enough trades to build forward, and every trade that opens and closes is profit turning. But if you can't open any more trades and you have to wait for them to close, you're standing still.
Right.
Each trader
That's
is
right.
different, but just to get a feel for it first. As we move
That's
forward,
right.
I'll be transparent on my groups and let everyone know this is what's happening, this is how many trades I have open, this is what might happen. So it will give them an indication as well to help build forward on that.
Also, once we officially launch, we're going to allow all the customers to actually try the service for 1 week for free, before we actually officially launch, so they can just kind of test to get a feel for it, and then they can obviously pick their subscription package based on their testing for that week. But we are going to have an incredible opportunity for people with Liberium Crypto, and man, I cannot wait to really, really get started. So Extreme, any final words you would like to share with anyone as we wrap this interview up?
I think crypto is the opportunity currently out there. Don't wait too long. If you wait a week, you're going to say, well, I waited too long. If you wait a month, you might say the same. It's just taking that step and getting into it if you haven't yet. Never say never. Who knows where this opportunity might go?
You're exactly right. And, there's so much more to come in the space of cryptocurrency. We see now arenas being named after, cryptocurrency exchanges. So much is happening. So much is changing. It's not like it was five and a half years ago when I got started into the space. It's not like it was when you got started into the space. Things are really, really changing. So Extreme, I want to take the time to thank you so very much for giving us of your time. Guys, you're hearing it again from another pro trader with Liberium Crypto. We'll have more to come, and we'll do more interviews as these traders are open to have these interviews. So Extreme, thank you so very much. We appreciate it.
I appreciate it and enjoy the profits.
Yes, I love it.